And DK Shivakumar met Rahul Gandhi. Many speculations are again arising.
No speculations, nothing.
Both of them
media
met
is
separately.
speculating, print and electronic media speculating, that's all.
Both of them met separately. They discussed few
Just a
minutes
casual
in
meeting,
airport.
that's all. He came to Mysore. He's our leader now. Because of that, they met.
But both of them are invited to Delhi, sir, to discuss
No, I don't
these
know.
things.
You-
Mr.
you-
Ashok Patan
Chief
said it.
Minister will, CM is on the way. You can talk to him.
So also the BJP is attacking the Congress, saying that there should be minimum courtesy. Rahul Gandhi should have spoken in a lawn, not on a tarmac. ECM and CM having
See,
conversation.
that is not a meeting. Just casually they met in airport, that's all. No discussion, nothing. There are no important matters.
Now BJP is
BJP people they don't have any business. They are an opposition, no? To oppose, they will oppose, that's all.
Sir, on 17th they are planning a massive convention in Bellary, sir, saying that failure of the government and Bellary.
No failure of opposition in Karnataka. Not government. Not government. There is no leadership in opposition. No unity. People don't believe these people. They did a lot of mistakes in between 2008 and 13 and between 19 and 23. They made huge loans and without money they sanctioned lakhs of crores money estimates. For example, in the last 2 years, Mr. Bommai sanctioned without budget round of lakh crores. That is one thing. Second one is CM special grant, 1.4 lakh crores they have sanctioned without budget support. Because of that, we are suffering now.
So today is a special cabinet on Manrega.
Yes. Manrega. BJP, RSS, not JDS. BJP, RSS, Vishwa Hindu Congress. They are anti Mahatma Gandhi. Because of the only reason to change the name. Manrega as G. Ramji. That is the reason, that's all. There is no public interest.
Any resolution will be passed today, sir, in the cabinet?
I don't know. We are going to cabinet. Our CM is coming.